How's it going, reinventors? Happy Vlogmas. This is the days leading up to December 25th, and in this video series, I'm going to be bringing you 25 things to do after you retire. I'm Amelia, this is Reinventing You. This channel is all about inspiring you so that you can reinvent your life. I want you to live a life of joy, fulfillment, and purpose. I normally post twice a week, but in this instance, during Vlogmas, I'll be posting every day. Now, you might say, wait a minute, haven't I already seen this video? Well, I did the same intro in every video for this series. I'm glad that you are here. I retired early from the ministry after 20 years, but it doesn't matter what age you retire. You are probably looking for what are you going to spend your time doing after you have retired, and I want to help you out through my own experience. If you are interested, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the bell. That way you'll be notified when I post new videos. This video is for Vlogmas Day 2. When you retire, there are several things that you can do, and this is of course a video series on 25 things. But the second thing that I would recommend that you do is to set goals. Now, that is very hard for some people. A lot of times, people like me, we like to look at the steps or the small things that we can do or the habits we would like to procure or develop. But really, you have to start with the big picture. What do you want to accomplish? What is your goal? What is your vision? What is your, if you're going to reinvent yourself, for instance, what is that going to look like? How are you going to get there? And sort of the big picture how, not all the little steps, but how is that going to play out? And that's a big question to answer. Now, maybe you say, well, in my retirement, I just want to relax or I just want to travel. Well, if that's your goal, make sure that you are carrying that out. Maybe you say, well, wait a minute, I don't have a goal, and that's okay too. But this is something that I think is very important. As you retire, what is your goal? Maybe it's to enjoy life. Maybe it's to enjoy your grandchildren. Maybe it's to, enjoy your family or appreciate your home. Whatever it is, it doesn't have to be a momentous goal. It doesn't have to be earth-shattering. But as long as you have a goal. When we're working, a lot of times our goal is either our career, maybe a goal in our career, or get a promotion or make money. It may just be getting food on the table. Those are goals, but now your goals are going to change. And it's very important, especially as we go through the rest of the things that you wanted. I recommend that you do after retirement. You need to start with the goal. So, number 2, set your goals. I hope you've enjoyed this video. In the comments below, let me know what you would suggest doing when you retire or when somebody else retires, or what you hope to do when you retire. And if this video has been helpful for you, guess what? I want you to give me a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Have a great one.